Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is June 30th, 2019. We are on the Gant Phase 1 renovation project. This will be our 9th video of the series and we'll be taking you through progress to date.
Let's begin our update using our aerial photography. We'll start at the plaza area in front of us. The pavers have been removed. This location is where we're now tying in our new storm and sanitary. We'll show you when we walk the ground floor. In front of us, next to the stair tower, the curtain wall has been completed from the first to the fourth floor. Right off the bat, we notice the scaffolding has finally been removed, and there it is, the first floor, brand new storefront, new panel over the top, existing concrete beams interior to the building. Total new look. We talked last time about Einstein's Bose condensate palette of colors. A little closer look. Here we are on our window surrounds. Some blues, some greens, orange, and reds to make up that color palette. What an amazing conversation piece and new look on the exterior. And to the north, the scaffold has also been removed. We'll jump over to our light core, and this east elevation is ready for metal panels, that section right down through here. We're now flying over the north, and it's worth noting that the roofers have been out here. This area is now watertight. You can see some of the bags in the area where they were working. You can actually see inside through the glass. It's so clear. We turn the corner here a little bit. You see some of the existing panels have been removed for some new fall protection pins that you see right in through there. And we come around the corner a little further. I love this elevation here. This is our west elevation. You can see right inside. Again, this is going to be the feature connecting area, social area of the building.
Fourth floor corridors. And our fourth floor is mostly our research labs in through here, but we get a chance to see our display case in through here. Maple is the theme on the millwork in this section, but great color contrast, light on the corridors. This is a Sunday night. I'm coming through here. Not all of our lights are on. We'll take a quick peek in our research labs. They're 99.9% complete. Whiteboards on the walls. Again, maple is our theme with our countertops, shelving. We have this unistrut ceiling up in the top. Products, things, experiments can be attached to the top of that. All the lighting is above. A cord reel that gets pulled down over through there. All the outlets on the wall. We spin back more cabinetry work. A fume hood, what we call our snorkel, to be able to draw air off the bench through here. We'll pop in one of our typical offices here to our north side. Side lights. Beautiful doors protected right in through here. Our desks are installed. Great views, great windows. Our window treatments up over the top can come down for the afternoon. That's the afternoon sun that we're seeing come through here now. Nice space. We continue down the hallway. Another research lab over here. Each a little bit different, each for a specific professor. We see the snorkel over in through here. We actually have a sink in this space right in through here. Workstations, rolling cabinetry underneath it. Again, the unistrut, the white unistrut over the top. What a great station in through here. We continue to the east. Our stairway will be around the corner through here. A group study area in through here. And again, maple is the theme. See how the sun works with us here. Workstation in through here, gathering. This is a group study area, as I said again. There'll be a feature very similar to this right here, element down in the entrance, on the south entrance through there. This is coming out of our stair A. This is an area of grad students and offices, all with great light in through here. This is the east elevation of the building. This section is grad areas right in through here. There's a conference room in the middle, and there's some staff offices over here to the north. We'll come over and take a peek. How about this campus view from this fourth floor right through here. A quick peek into one of our faculty offices in this area right in through here. So just a great glass doorway on the entrance in through here. The OPEC panel so you can't see in through here. The workstation installed. The view to the north to the plaza area right in through here. And again, it's late in the day. This is the afternoon sun that comes in through here. 6 o'clock right now. 4th floor, we'll exit our conditioned space in through here. This is our public area in this section right in through here. Our postdoctoral offices in through here. They haven't been final cleaned yet. This wall was built just a few weeks ago in through here. A terrazzo floor that's been protected. It's been ground to brand new. It's like a wood floor terrazzo. You can grind it to a brand new finish in through here. What we can expect is a temporary petition to allow the use of the elevator right through here. When school starts in the fall, there will be a partition separating our phase 2 construction in the west end through here. We'll turn back around. 2 brand new sets of bathrooms in here. They're not final cleaned yet, but we can get a sense. A huge upgrade from what Gant had before in through here. Nice gray tile, white finishes. Under the counter sink mounts in through here. 3rd floor, very similar to the 4th floor. We've been talking about this right along. What we call our tower 1 through 4. Beautiful oak benches in through here on the hallway. The theme here on the 3rd floor, teaching labs. And the construction's a week behind here. It was completely cleaned on the 4th floor. This will be cleaned this week in through here. Again, teaching labs. Full marker board on the wall. The workstations for the students. The shelving in through here. When we continue to the east, very similar on the floors. Our group workstation with our maple millwork assembly through here. Tables and chairs. And again, all the way to the east is a combination of faculty offices, grad student offices, and conferences in the middle. 3rd floor, we'll leave our conditioned space. We saw the 4th floor had protection on it. We're now on the 3rd floor. You can see how bright the terrazzo. This area has been ground in through here. I'm not sure they have one more over the top or just a cleaning to get the film on it. Again, same theme. Our postdoc offices in through here. New bathrooms. Access to our elevator. And we'll see a temporary partition going in here. Are a little different than 2, 3, and 4, only because we have this awesome storefront out here that allows us to be able to see right into the plaza and as we turn back around to the main campus. Again, faculty offices over here to the north. 2 big classrooms down on the 1st floor. Let's pop in, we'll show you down in through here. So the old concrete. We talked about this way back, long time ago. There was a partition was inside, right? This was all exposed on the outside. Our storefront now, there it is, all the way out through here. This exterior beam is now interior. We picked up the space. Great classrooms in through here. Right? A dividing partition in the middle. Again, huge marker boards. Complete walls. What a look. Excuse me. You know, the triangle of the old concrete in through here. Feature classrooms, 1st floor, looking south at Jorgensen. Scale up labs. They'll be completed on time, but it's a push to the finish. This area close to the mechanical rooms, the ceilings aren't in yet as the mechanicals come in. We saw these air handlers fly over. The VFDs are installed. These are ready to go in through here. 2 or 3 videos, we showed you the mock-up areas. Okay, so our posts, our supports have come in, right? This is where all the guts, all the important, the power and the data come in through here. All that gets pulled up in through here. And then the gorgeous maple tops go over the top on that. The ceilings are installed in these locations. Out to our famous light court in through here. So it's quite a process on some design items. Getting the roof buttoned up, that happened this week. This area is dry in through here. There's some huge detail soffit work that has to go in here. All terrazzo on this level. All terrazzo down on this level to tie into the existing corridor of the existing buildings. We have precast terrazzo on the steps in through here. There's a wooden rail that comes in over the top. We're getting ready to start the terrazzo this week in through here. What a great space. We talked about it in the flyover. We're coming in from the biophysics loading dock. Okay, some of our research labs through this area here. We'll take a peek into the mechanical room. The most important part is we have chilled water going upstairs. The rest of this pumps and steam assembly we don't quite need for a little while, but they're making great progress every day in here. Boy, it was great about 3 weeks ago to be able to get all the new services tied in and be able to remove that gear. So I apologize for the lighting. It's a Sunday. There's so many people here during the week that really can't video through here. This is going to be our new entrance right in through here. We talked about that new maple themed section goes on this radius wall right in through here. This is the stair A. This will be the main access point for the tower floors in through here. From the south entrance, right down the corridor into the center point of the building, our light court in through here. Two massive electrical rooms. We took you in through there before. They're locked because they're on right now. We're on complete permanent power through here. One of our most important rooms we're making progress on, our Mdf room in here. Okay, this is where this is the main distribution frame comes in through here. This is the tie-in. There's a service from the street that comes in through here for all of our communications. These 3 labs I don't believe are going to start right away. We're going to finish up on the ground floor just to explain some challenges on this project. So our services in through here, our sewer and our storm, come right down through this section, right in front of the elevator, this massive dirt pile. Okay, so we're going to put this together, believe it or not, in a week or 2 in through here and make great strides. This was a modification when we talked about in the flyover. The pipes come out here, go through our little plaza area and tie in. They were supposed to go through this mechanical room, but that would have influenced some experiments that were going on with some professors over here. We were able to accommodate them. This will happen. There'll be a temporary partition off the corner of this elevator. Pretty amazing to watch how much work is going to happen in this one section over the next couple of weeks. Compliments to Whiting Turner and the mechanics that are going to make this happen.
Again, today is June 30th, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university project. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.